Canna Potions and Lotions. I am doing a really quick unboxing video today. I'm kind of actually been so excited to receive this box. It is from Breaking the Mold out in Calgary, I think she is. Let's see, where is she? Yep, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And she makes the most amazing molds I've seen online. And so I've been trying to be so patient because she makes them to order. And I received them. The UPS man came, or person, I shouldn't be sexist. The UPS person came and delivered this guy. And I didn't even let my hair dry. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you what I've got. Okay, so here we go. I ordered, actually, this order went in on March 26th, and she was having a big sale at the time, so it took until today. Today is April, what, 29th or 30th? 29th. April 29th to receive it. But from what I hear, her stuff is fabulous and well worth the wait. Okay, here we go. Packaged very nicely. Take this out. Ooh, what did we get? Oh, Barbie popping candy. Oh, I got sour, extreme sour. I got candy. Woo-hoo-hoo. More Barbie popping candy and a gummy. Hot dog gummy, hot dog. That's cute. Oh, she's fun. Okay, here goes first one. This one is one of the vacuum and peel. Oh, my marjoram leaf it's called. Nice marijuana leaf. I don't know if you can see the detail on that. I'm gonna make some bath bombs so I can show everybody what these look like. Just white ones, and then I'll spray paint them. This one is a skull. I hope you can see this. This one is another one. I'm trying to feel for the vacuum mold ones first. Love her packing paper too. It's fabulous. Oh, another marjoram. This one's a little more detailed. Marijuana leaf. Oh, it's quite pretty. Not so cartoonish. That one's more realistic looking. This one is another little, I think this is a bomb. Yes, it's a little bomb. Let's go with the marijuana theme. Okay, and this is, what are you? You are, oh, my shark. This is my the one I was most excited about. It is a shark coming out of the water, and I can spray paint these. Oh, they're gonna be fabulous. I am so excited. I'm such a goof. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to do the sharks up and paint them. Oh, another marijuana leaf. How'd I get two? Oh, well, there's a little note, maybe. It explains why I have two marijuana leaf molds. Oh, she sent me two marijuana leaves. I don't know if by accident or not. I'll have to contact her. But that was sweet. I'm so excited. Oh, here's some more candy. Oh, she's so cute. TNT, super sour. Okay. Okay, here's one of the hand pressed molds. Oh, this is my, oh, I have to learn how to use these ones. That's gonna be exciting. That is the tail of a mermaid. I'm gonna put her over here. And this one is another one of those hand pressed ones. I'm not sure which one this one is. Oh, it's my little tiny cloud. And that one is again hand press. That's a pretty one. Those will paint up so beautifully. This one I think is just a circle, a 2.5 inch circle. I just want to try her circle press bath bombs. As you can see, those are really nice. And this one is the other one. That's it, except for candy, that I was so excited about. This one is going to be a bigger one. This one, as you can see, is a unicorn horn. Oh, so cute. Anyways, that is it. Except for my little, oh, I got a little thank you card from Breaking the Mold. Proudly Canadian, thank you. So, along with candy, I got my exciting molds, and I can't wait to show you the results after I've used them. Okay, enjoy.